Hello YouTube and hello Twitch, and welcome to this new web dev session about my project StoreMyDocs. Last time I was working on this task, prevent manual conflicts with the automatically set categories, and that's done. I can show it quickly. So I have a rule, this one, detect sh script, which is a simple rule. Normally there should be some coloration, so I'm a bit surprised about this. Okay, I will have to check that. But here you can see we have this icon saying that some files have the category automatically assigned by a rule. Oh, I'm looking at the playback, and I don't know if it's only me, but I see the that it's quite dark. So maybe let me see if I can change it. Oh, okay, no, it was me. Yeah, because I was using a tool from NVIDIA which automatically activate HDR for video, and it was making the video very dark. Okay. So I have this, and also you cannot click on set category because it's assigned to a rule. And I just realized that I did not check, for example, if I delete my rule. Okay, it's has been deleted. Okay, it's working. But there is a weird thing. So two things I have to check. Normally, timeout, or maybe I have to reload the page. Maybe I am not connected to. Oh, okay, I know. It's because when I activate my VPN, I have to add some route manually to my local network. It should be working, but apparently it's not. Maybe I can. Oh, okay, it should be working. Continue. Continue. Okay. Do I have syntax coloration? Yes. No, I have it. Okay. So I'm done with this task, and now I am working on another one, which is database compression before uploading. This is maybe the last task which is substantial. I mean, the other ones are some quick ones that are not really worth mentioning, and this one is the most meaningful one. So it means that when I am done with this task, probably I will be able to quickly finish all the other tasks. Maybe. Okay, so I can start. So I will be working with this test. So in the database backup and restore service, I have a backup method which I am using here. So I will have to modify this existing test to include the compression, but I don't know yet how I will be using the compression mechanism. So I'm first looking at some libraries that I can use. Maybe this one, I don't know what this one is. I don't know. Because the problem is if I search, let's say, maybe I can search directly on this site. If I search for, okay, I'm surprised by the keyword. I'm more interested about library that will allow me to use a gzip because I know this one is efficient. Well, it can be efficient probably. So, and if I look at compression keyword, this one at least is recent, but the problem is it's not yet the it's still in early development. Maybe I don't know about this. Let's look at the weekly downloads. Okay, yeah, this one is downloaded a lot. Popularity. Yeah, this one is the most popular. And this one, I don't know what this one is about. Okay. Local storage. So it's not exactly answering my need because this one is based on some constraints about the local storage, which I don't have since I will be uploading this to Google Drive. Maybe In any case, it should be working well for my purpose. So this one. Okay, so this one maybe is more server oriented. And is it TypeScript compliant? I mean, do we have types for this one? Okay, I don't know which one can be the most interesting for me. Search for Angular also. Maybe I can search for TypeScript. Okay, I want to look back for all the possibility I had. This one has not been updated in the last 2 years, so it can be a good choice, but I'm not sure about this. I could try something. I can try because recently I like using Copilot to ask about different stuff. Can you help me find a npm.js package to use in my Angular application in order to compress a file before uploading it somewhere? And let's see, because sometimes I'm surprised about things it was suggesting me. For example, for this icon, oh, okay, I don't have the icon anymore. But yeah, I asked Copilot to give me a suggestion about the icon of Material UI, and this one was okay. Maybe there is a better one, but this one was okay. and I'm also using it for some other stuff, but it's more for my game development. But this one, okay, I got it also, but this one is more for the image, and this one is for image, but I want to compress. But it's not correct English, but maybe it should be okay. Search again Angular compress file before upload, but I get an error, an answer. Compressing. What is compressing? Okay, this one is interesting. Okay, this one works from actual file. Oh, maybe. Yeah, maybe this one can work. What I would like is to be able to compress. Let's see. I have to check what I say. If I have a look to my backup, yeah. Because exportdb is doing the export as a blob, which is not stored in the database. Okay, this one, what is this one? One year ago, okay. This one is a tool which is not meant to be used from the browser. It's more about being used inside the build process, I think. So this one may work, but Buffer, okay. It can accept buffer. Maybe there is a way to use this one as I want. So it can take a buffer and the destination can be a stream. But if the destination is a stream, I don't know. Okay, so I can use this one, okay. I don't know what the stream is. Maybe I can try to work with it. I will test. I don't need to find the best solution now. I have to search for a simple and working solution. Here I should be able to let's say I want to do new compressing. Okay, so from what I see, I can do import everything as compressing from compressing. Okay, and then I can do stream add entry blob. Okay, I cannot give it a blob like this. Read stream. Okay. Be great if I can convert a blob to a stream, but apparently and what is a buffer? Maybe let me go back here. Maybe I can get a buffer from it. Array buffer. Let's try. Array buffer. Then buffer. So this array buffer is not the same as this one. Okay. Okay. Maybe I can find a solution using this library, but I will try something else. Okay, the one I will be using is maybe this one. Because this one is supposed to be run from the browser. Let's see this one. Okay, this one is very old. I will try this one. This one may not be optimal for our needs, but it may be okay. So I also want to remove the last one, this one. Okay. Then I have to do npm install to remove. Okay, the compressing library. LZ that string, okay. Suppose it will work like this. Yes. Okay, so I have to give it a string as. Oh no, okay. This is good. This is good because the buffer I saw is. No. Okay, maybe I don't have. I don't know if I have what I. Easy way about giving my buffer. buffer. And can I get something else from this? Okay, I can do text, which is maybe the best I can give it. Okay, I will try something else. TypeScript, compress, blob. No, I want TypeScript. Okay, let's see again this one. Okay, it's relatively old, but it's a widely used library. I like this here. Type generator. I have to see the documentation for this. So file. Yeah, I see what they do. It will generate a blob. And okay, I want to do the reverse then. Read the file. Load sync data. Get binary content. Okay, I have to know. Yes, I will try. We'll try to install this library. GS zip. And then again, I want to remove the other library. Okay. And it will be the same, import everything as JS zip. Okay, from JS. Okay. Then I can do load async. So you have to see what is the parameter of this method. It's a bit cryptic to understand what is the type of the input. Yeah, I'm trying to see if I can find a better way to adapt what I already have. I mean that currently I have a blob, and from this blob I want to not exactly generate a thing. I have to see what is the possible content for this one. To see if I was okay. I was not importing it correctly, so now it's better. Zip.file. Okay, it's weird because the syntax is supposed to be yeah, something like this. Okay. Okay, let's try something. Let's name this db.backup with the blob. It's like it can accept everything, but I'm suppose it will not work. So we will see. Okay. Then I can do zip.generate async. I will try with type blob. Then function compressed blob. Okay. I will do a return from promise of this. Because it is a promise, normally. Yes. And then I can do a merge map again. There is something weird. Let's see why. Okay, because I forgot to close this. Okay. Be like this. This will be a blob. No? Oh, okay, because, oh yeah, okay, my bad. I have to do this. Yeah, and now we have a blob. And then I will debug and see if it's working. My test is this one. I'm really surprised. It's working right away. And let's see, I want to see, because I can see the size, I want to see from which size I came up. Okay, from something smaller, which is not necessarily weird because my backup contains what? My impression is that my backup contains nothing. So it's not weird that doing the compression is actually adding more data because of all the headers and things like this. Okay, we can see. Oh no, no, we cannot see. Okay, so I managed to generate a zip file and I want to see if I can choose the compression. Mm. So I'm doing type lub, okay. That's what I want. So apparently I cannot. Hmm. I'm trying to see if they are talking about the compression possibility. But I'm surprised that they don't let me. Well, they don't let us choose the compression engine. Oh, if they do let us choose the compression mechanism, it's not well documented. just the performance. What I'm interested about is the size. I guess was that, well, it's talking about having a bigger file than uncompressed content, but I don't really have an issue in the case where like the original file is really small or not easily compressible. And maybe Drive API. Maybe there is a way to compress through the usage of Drive. Drive API upload file to compress. The goal is also to avoid using too much bandwidth, so I cannot use something from Google Drive to do it. Okay, so if we can do this kind of you have this kind of options, I don't see them in the documentation, so I'm a bit surprised. It is in generate async. More compression. Store, no compression, and deflate. Okay, so maybe I need to say, because it's possible that by default it's yeah, I don't know what is the default here. So if the default is about storing without any compression, then it's normal that I got a bigger file. So let's see without specifying the compression level. I want to see if... Okay, it's different already. Now I will try to say to be very to use the best compression. So let's try again and see if there is any change in the file size. No. No, there is no difference with 9. So let's see. I want to see if maybe 9 was the default or... Okay, it's a bit bigger, but okay. I will keep it. I will keep the default compression level. I don't really care enough currently about this. Why not? Okay. Okay, I have a problem with my test because currently I'm not... Yeah, my test is passing. I'm not checking the value of of my blob, which is a bit problematic because I cannot ensure that I'm giving the zipped file. Okay, so I will change this to something else. It can be a string, that's the problem also. I can do something like matches. Which will do actual return true. I don't really know for now. Okay. Blob matcher. Okay, so I got my blob matcher here. Okay, it is strange that I can see this kind of observable here. It's probably an error from the IDE. Okay, we can't see it anymore. So from there, I will be able to do... that's a problem because with a blob, I don't have... I cannot do something like await. I cannot do this. If I want to do this, I have to make it async, but then it's not working anymore. I don't have something... I don't have a matcher which is taking a promise. Okay, I will do this. Yeah, will capture. It's a good solution to my problem. Go back earlier than this. Will capture and string. Okay, I don't have to specify. Let's see. I guess I can do it like this. Okay. Blob capture. Let's name it blob upload capture. Then what I can do is blob upload capture dot value. Is it working? I need to check the signature of this. Yeah, it will give me a value. Value dot text. So I can do await this time. Uploaded string. And then I can do expect uploaded string to equal something. And we can see the zipped content I got. I want to try something. I will pin this tab. Which normally means that I can do run again, and I will keep the result in my other tab. So okay, so yeah, the best thing I can do will be to save this into a file. Yeah, I will do this. I will save it into a file which I will read to check the equality. Because if I copy this here, it will be really hard to read. It's better to store this into a file. So blob upload capture, and I have to see how I can save blob to file JavaScript. It may be more difficult than I was thinking. Karma. I don't want to do this. Because this is okay when I'm doing this from the browser, but if I'm doing this from a Karma test, my guess is that I can do this. But I'm not sure about this. can take a blob. Apparently I can try to do new file this with empty db.zip. Something like this. The only thing I'm missing is that I must do if I get something, then no. Okay. I need to have this inside an array. Okay, and maybe, oh no, I don't want to run it like this. Maybe it will create my file, but I'm not sure about this. And apparently not. Gamma create local file. Save. No, no. This is from the configuration. Okay, do I really have no way to do this? Maybe with Jasmine? It's harder than what I was thinking, so maybe with Angular? Let's see, I want to see if Copilot can be smart enough to give me an answer. New topic. In a karma spec of an Angular project, how can I save a blob to a local file? I'm not expecting any good answer from this. It's a bit too vague to ask. Maybe that's what I will try to do using file saver. It's not pointing me to the correct reference. This is something I saw a few times already. Okay, I will try. I will try to use this file saver. Well, what I don't like is that I will be using this only to generate my test files. Oh, I forgot I wanted to save it as dev only. Save dev, something like this. Okay, it has correctly moved this to the dev dependencies, so that's good. So now let's go back to there and I will do save as. Okay, so I will do save as. It is not doing the correct import, so I have to do it manually. Okay, so maybe I have to do this. Let's see. So I probably have to do something like this. I can do it from... Well, I'm not sure it will work. I guess I will have a problem. And what is the syntax? Blob file name. Okay. Okay, let's see. I guess require does not work here, but okay, maybe it does. Okay, it does not seem to work unless... no, I don't have any directory where it could be saving this in a wrong way, so I don't think it is working. Let's see if I can debug this. Okay, so it's not working. Maybe... okay, maybe I'm using this in a wrong way. Okay, let's try again. File saver dot save as. I still don't get a file from this. Yeah, apparently I can have the the TypeScript file definition, so I can do this now. Okay. I'm surprised that I don't have a way to create file with something like Karma. Spec. I have another thing I can try to do, which is about changing the browser. Okay, I should be able to do something like this. Maybe something like this. Okay, no. If this is not working, oh yeah, browser Chrome. Okay. And yes, I got it. Okay, good, I got my file. So now I can do let's have a look at what it looks like. Okay, I don't have Java installed, so I need to install at least. Ah no, I need the JDK. And yeah, this is just so that I can use Vim to have to look inside the file, but I can do this also. Okay. db.backup, and if we look at the content of this, yeah, we can see there is really nothing inside the database. There is only the schema. But it's working, so that's good. And where should I move this? I should move this to maybe to a new folder. I don't know. Okay, let's start with a new folder and then I will see if I want to test assets, something like this. Can I see? No, I cannot see the content from IntelliJ apparently. Maybe I need a plugin for this. Okay, no, with Java. Okay, unable to read. Okay, I don't know why. Oh yes, I know why, my bad, because I moved the file. Test assets. Okay, and yeah, now I'm able to see the file content through Vim. Okay, now I can do something like new file. Is it something that I'm already doing somewhere? Maybe blob, new blob. No. Up until now, I was always dealing with data, hard-coded data. Okay, I don't want the browser anymore, so I will remove this. Okay, Karma server, I don't need it anymore. Karma local file to blob. This is interesting. I will try to do something about this kind of Stack Overflow question which does not contain my answer. I will try to keep it somewhere. So this will be SO unanswered something unanswered. Something like this, so that if I find the answer, I can post it as an answer. Because some other people may stumble upon the same question. Okay, I have some idea, some Maybe a bit in the same way that I was using where is it? Here, karma. Oh, I do have a PDF file. Yeah, I have to use the fetch. Clean up a bit my tabs. Sorry. Let's see if I understand the question correctly. Yes. To create this part here. Okay, from his question, I have two ways to answer it. Okay, to make this work, I had to do this. Okay, I will see. But it means that I already have somewhere a dummy PDF which is necessary What I don't like is that I have something which is used only for test, but it seems like it is used for production. So that's what I don't like here. So I will be moving this dummy PDF file to test assets. Let's say testing assets. Maybe I will move this to the rules folder. That will be better. Base testing assets rules dummy and dummy PDF. Okay. Then I will try to make this work. Okay, it's not working as I was expecting. And let's see if I can do this maybe like this. I'm not sure about this. I don't know what happened. So yeah, it's working. And if I do this, maybe same as before. So I need to do this. Okay, that's good. Now let's go back to my previous test. This one. This one is in the folder database. So I will do the same for the assets. Database. So I can do await fetch. Let's have a look again at the other case. Okay. Slash base rules and mtdb.zip. Expected file. Then from that I can get the blob and then the text. Yeah, it should be okay, but let's do it with then. Then, oh no, I still have to name everything. Expected blob, and then expected blob dot text. I forgot await. Expected text. I don't know between text and string. Expected text. Okay, then I can remove this and this. Same problem as before. I have to restart the Karma server. Not found. It is not found, so yeah, obviously. Missing something else, maybe. Oh, yes, I forgot testing assets. Testing asset. This is something I knew may happen, because if you compare generated binary file well, you may not get consistent results. So yeah, that was expected. I can try in a different way. Which will probably not work again, but yeah. What I want is the history, local history, show history for selection. Yes, I want this. I will try again to save my file. Which means that I have to again use browser. Okay. I have my my second empty DB file. So now what I want to do is this. I want to check if indeed they are different files. And oh, maybe there is a date. I don't remember this. If there is a date inside the file, then I cannot get the same result. No, it seems okay. So is it exactly the same file? It seems to be exactly the same file, so that's a good thing. And now I will try to do the MD5 sum to see if I get the same. No. No, they are both different files, so so maybe it's because of a file metadata. Zip meta. Well, if there is a way to get the metadata on Linux for a zip file, it should be from this. Extra file attributes. Zip metadata show Linux. Okay, zip info. So, okay, I got this binary normally. Zip info. Yeah. And this is probably the reason why the two files are different. So from this, knowing this, I have two ways of fixing this. So one way is to remove our force. the date. Comma first date value. I know there is a way to do this with Jasmine, but data is date. There is this kind of things, but I'm afraid that it will mess up my... I should try. I should try to do it here. Jasmine dot clock dot install. Okay, what will be the date? The date will be new date. Let's say, I'm not sure about the format of the date, so okay. So I can probably do something like, well, something like this. Okay, this should be working. Probably not the best way that I found in order to mock this, but it's an interesting way which I'm curious about. I want to see if it will work or not. Yeah, I got a problem. I don't know why. Is it because... No. Okay, so one of these functions are not working. They are also suggesting another way, which is about doing a spy on. Spy on they don't know. Yeah, I will go with a more elegant way of fixing this problem. So before I got, well, I was not. Okay. Yeah, okay, I will do something else entirely. Well, not entirely. I still need this, the blob. From there, I will do a load. gszip load a thing. Blob. So I should be able to do something like this. Wait. Zip result. Zip result dot file db dot backup. And what is the result of this file? Okay, I'm surprised by it should be equal to this. I will do this then. Do debug. file data. Okay, I still need to get the file with something, a thing. Okay, with this apparently. Okay. Wait. Okay. And normally I should get my my file then. Yes, I got it. Okay. And then the ID is string result. This let's see. No. Undefined. Expect string result to equal, and that's where I have to set the expectations like this. Normally I can do something like this, inject JSON reference. Then I can do edit JSON fragment, something like this. I can do something like this. And the main issue I have with doing this is that it is verbose. I'm already doing something similar here. Is it the same? No. In this case, I have some rules. Yeah. So my preference will be to extract this into a variable. Oh yes, it will not work. Yeah, my bad. If we want this to work, we cannot format the string. So let's remove the format. Yeah. TDD backup. Okay, this time I'm more happy with what I'm doing. Okay, that's done. I need some comment. The blob should be a compressed zip. We have to unzip it and check its content. Okay, that's done. And the good thing is that the other test I'm doing is not checking the content because it's not caring about it. And that's good because I don't have to work on another test. So if I'm compressing the backup, I should also uncompress the restore. This time I may have to where is it? Okay, yeah. This test is about not restoring, so that's not what I'm looking for. Yeah. Here I got my files to restore. So what I want to do is to have this into a file. A zip file. So yeah, this way I can do what I wanted before, fetching a local file. Yeah. If I want to do this, I have to let's see. I need to remove. No, I don't have the browser anymore. So I will be working on this test here. I want to get the blob content. So copy value. What I will do is a new file db.backup with the file value. Then I want to zip it. Zip db.backup.zip. Okay, I did the reverse. Okay. Backup like this. Okay. Oh, I got some interesting information. Okay, we can see that the file content of the zip is bigger than the original file, which is somehow normal. No, I don't want to check. So now that I have this, I can remove that part. I will be able to do await, fetch, base testing assets database db.backup.zip. You have to make it asynchronous. db backup file. What is the problem here? Maybe because I'm debugging. Oh, okay, my bad. Rest db backup file. Yeah, it's a bit confusing to have similar name. And here I should have something different. I should have the blob. But to get the blob, I have to do it like this. Compressed db backup blob. Okay. If I run the test, it will fail because I'm not uncompressing the file. Download file. Yeah, I don't know what I changed here to make this fail. I don't really understand the error I got because I was supposed to. Let's see. If I yes, my bad. It's asynchronous, and because it is asynchronous, I have to do a wait here. That's it. That's the response I was expecting. Let's see. Yeah, that's it for me for today. I will work on the remaining task on my own, and I will continue streaming tomorrow on the web development of my application. So see you tomorrow, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.